watch out. Do what you do best, and I'm gonna keep you doing what I'm doing best. My name is Chris Papa. Selling out this one. I said, you didn't know this? In the copyright from who? Copyright from Tytie. And I was like, okay. Do I tell because I put on copyright? So the party and naTytie and the win. Yeah, what's good YouTube famous boy press and that's good and today I'm back to another banger. So guys, I'm not muita say kwa muri koko, I'm not swese boy. Ini kunok safe swese boy. So guys, I've decided to stop with actually blogging. I think me personally, I'm a very good content creator, right? Like I can make my own content. Ukwanza ku vlogger life yangu, ukwanza ku vlogger zvakasiyana siyana, ukwanza kuita zvinhu hobo zvakasiyana siyana. But you see, the problem is when you start YouTube, it's very hard, like for you to create a fan base. It's very hard for you to get people, like people who truly like believe in you. But unfortunately, Quest can make good content. Quest and Quest gather my vlogs. Quest and Quest this and that. It's very hard, man. So what I noticed more like more YouTube industry is you have to like to create a drama. You have to create like nonsense but that dramas to draw like people's attention, like to bring people there is someone who is thinking, there's someone who is thinking. Because without dramas, our concept is up. So yeah. So when I created my YouTube channel, I was making my videos. My views are this and that, 1 or 2, and then I know I was like, I know man, I'm not getting enough views. Maybe let me try something else. And then I continued blogging. But you know, there are many bloggers in Zimbabwe. But with my bloggers are saying the way you blogging, the way you do your research means, the way you bring like information to the people. Are you bringing information with evidence or you just blogging? So Semun aga English course, Semun aga start the watching this that I know. Let us say everyone is now a blogger. Hey, chipoko cha ningi, chipoko cha Tytie, chipoko cha uyu, chipoko cha chani. Because people they know blogging, it's very easy to blow up. Because many content creators, like many famous content creators, many like my haters around this, like likes of Anna, Mama V, and you know likes of naTytie, Vanani. Many my haters akawanda. So create a page chipoko cha Mama V, chipoko cha. It's what this which does everyone who hates Mama V, everyone who hates Tytie. Obviously they will follow to that page. So I decided like to create my like in fact not creating research was original YouTube channel. So I decided like to start blogging about Tytie because even women are no start that like Arakupisa ndiani, Arakunza numbers ndiani. So the one I know, I also got a pass like my search for like a week. No one pass just started my numbers. I'm like blog about naTytie. But I got on naTytie and that's what I want to tell us is that content is trying like to make it clean, of which content like YouTube industry, you know, there are dramas, you see. So this is social media, so not actually clean, you see. So yeah, I decided to go after Tytie. That I know after Tytie, no number numbers was Tytie. I know she's research game, which like I know they don't create a drama, see. Okay, and then I wanted to tell about him. And I was like, okay, let me go for this guy. So that time I posted a video with my couples. I was like, married to my couples. In fact, there's a target Tytie, but like target the audience at Tytie because that married is not gonna naTytie. Then over time, never let Tytie more because the plan was to target audience at Tytie. Never know argue with one of the comment of video rangu. And for one thumbnail, which the title, obviously my videos are one. That video is almost now, it's almost like 10,000 views. I below a video, I had about 5,000 views in 3 days. During my base, there's about 20,000 views. But I looked at my views like in 1 day, maybe 800 views. They just celebrated, I know. They did my views like one. And then I was like, oh, okay, this guy is bringing me like many views. So what should I do now? Then I was like, I know, let me create another video. So another video right around the really video make a punch, video niche. rine kadrama neana mukati maiziva. Then vandati I'm going to compare mota yaTytie nemota yaShagaya. Yeah, if I can be honest with you guys, the way I'm like the way I edited that video now, the plan was to make Shagaya's car look more expensive than Tytie's car. No, because I knew that mota yaTytie kadhura kudarika mota yaShagaya hapana value, because most of the people they hate Tytie, you see. So ndakanyasosada kati I know man, so since Tytie ane haters akawanda sika, let me go for him, because my haters are anofara and that will give me many numbers. And I was like, okay. So you know, when purchasing motor, unotenga motor papa, motor is different. Paunotenga motor, you can find the Benz later here. Let me say for example BMW X3, so motor type. BMW you can find the motor pamwe 500,000. Same car, you can find the motor at 20,000. Same car, you can find motor 10,000. Same car, you can find motor 15,000. Same car. But what makes the prices different is model year yakagadzirwa motor. Is it motor 2024 model? Is it a 1956 model? Is it a 2030 model? Is it a 2004 model? Is it a 2005 model? So I was like, I know man, let me choose like the lowest model. Let me go for, I think it's 2005, the oldest one. Then when that was like the other things with my price, I see and say motor one, like distance, mileage. And I was like, no, let me go near Famba. Yeah, I chose motor. Then my conditions the motor anosiyana, mid condition yadhakwa, engine chichichi, panangota siya motor kudhakwa. Body yakakasibo but bottom yaona mukati. And I was like, I know, let me go for this car because it was the cheapest one. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, let me take this one. And then obviously comparing the X jab, obviously you know kundwa price motor was X jab motor yakakudza price car. Then I okay. So the plan was to get motor below, because that's roughly 50,000 if I'm mistaken. That's roughly married no cost motor type, but the plan was to get it below 30 something. Even that time there one, but the plan of vlogging and that's what happened. They will be looking. Then I was like, I know this video to train because everyone is Tytie and on Manushka Shagaya. So if I take Shagaya's side to attack Tytie, obviously I'm gonna get numbers very quick. I was like, okay, let's go for it. Then but I run my researchments. Buy cars. So Tytie a better life. I got to channel can 2 videos angu. Karuta say karu blog about Tytie. But for that one, and I was like, nah man, this guy, I don't want to kill him. I don't want to vlog copyright this. Each channel I'm here again. I was like, okay, let me keep pushing my channel. And that was the warning. Then he said, what I'm gonna do is video I can remove it. Video. Then I will take the channel. I was like, it's not paying the channel. I said, what am I doing? The channel memories. I'm much pushing, but then there's no man that let me quit shit. So go blog one. But I don't shoot a video. And I don't go to that channel blog and I put your channel and I know I'm not gonna post it. So that's not you didn't know this in the copyright from who? Copyright from Tytie. And I was like, okay, no I tell because I put on copyright. So the party and Ndarohwa and Tytie they went to buy cars. Do have a claim of no, I shall actually content young. And I was like, okay, which was true. I'm going to show a part. That is, yeah, that was to prove me that I can do it. Those are constantly proof. I know I can still take down the video. And I was like, okay, no problem. Then I texted him. Bro, maybe Ndarohwa muhombe. Can you at least maybe remove copyright? Because copyright strike expire after 3 months. Of which I can't say within 3 months. In a month, but Napa do the cheap pays processing within the month. I was like, I know, maybe so na affectation. Monetization, can you please remove the copyright? And it was like, okay, no problem. I just wanted to show you that I can do it. Like my bloggers, those sometimes when posting information, you exaggerate or distortion information. And I was like, no worries, bro. The plan is to get numbers. Now I'm saying that I Tytie you should recommend video. What. And then the way he talked to me, it was so like a humble way. That was Shams with first maybe. Direct phone and the because I tried calling him and I'm texting my messages. Then he was busy. Then the pass over my message. And I was like, no, first way I really didn't know. Then I actually pass on the phone here I was like, do you want to the place she managed video like so around compare much she jawo game one West End. Kana pingo blog also angwara check both sides, don't take sides, this and that. Musango blog as you put a moon blog also anogona. I was like, no worries, bro. Then they then said I was gonna move the corporate. And I was like, okay, but you have the potential there. And he said you can keep on going in the blogging. Yeah, you can keep on going in the blogging. And I was like, no worries, I see estate. But in the zone, I said, no man, just carry me to go there. Going after a life young one, going after opinion one. Let me do my own shit, man. Like now I have numbers now. I have over 1,000 people who can watch me. Like I can still get numbers, man. If you 1K views, it's okay. So yeah, I decided to tell you guys I'm no longer talking about Tytie. I'm not. If I say I'm no longer talking about Tytie, I'll be like, I'm gonna talk about Tytie, like everyone. Like now I'm mixing and blogging everyone. Like the Akusanga piece and the Sama numbers. I'm not going for like one person because already the numbers that I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the plan now is get monetized, like Sanata big person monetization process young. Yeah. So I decided to open a page on leadership blogging because I don't wanna make my page like my channel dirty, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna make like my channel dirty, the main account. So I opened second account, the same gossip. Let me put it here. This one. Also I'm gonna put my gossips there. The one that you blog and coco. The one that gets the face young, like there's no need to put my face there. It's a blog channel. So this is my main channel. That's where I will be putting my face for now. So guys, me I'm just a content creator, mate. But I'm a collaborations, it may DM on Facebook. I'm gonna put my Facebook there. And you guys please follow my Facebook. I also wanna eat my on Facebook sometimes. Follow my Facebook, follow my Instagram, subscribe, like, comment, share. You know what I'm saying? So yeah guys. Now this is what happened. So I want to tell you I'm no longer talking about Tytie on this page. Like let me give flowers to him. Let me give all thanks to him. Like thank you, bro. Your name is something else. You know what I'm saying? Those bloggers are not go blogging. If you talk about Tytie, you get numbers, man. That's a big name, man. That's a big brand is about. So yeah, like go by my numbers, like it's a blessing in disguise, man. Talk about type of life back. Like it's a blessing in disguise, man. Because yeah, I told you to my numbers, so you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I no longer want to talk about people. I want to make my content. I want my bloggers to talk about me. I should not praise us like this and that, you know what I'm saying? Because we also want to make it through content, man. But yeah, we're getting there. So yeah, do what you're doing and keep it doing. I'm doing best. My name is Praise. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Go subscribe to my backup channel, like my gossip channel. Go subscribe there. I'm gonna be posting there soon if we get 200 subscribers. Do what you're doing best. I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. All small YouTubers, I'm coming for you. Watch out. Do what you're doing best. And I'm gonna keep you doing what I'm doing best. My name is Praise. Signing out.